Hey guys, welcome to Creative Corner by Varsha. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to try resin art for the first time. You can get all this material from resinartsindia.com. I will share the link in the description box. This is a pop socket kit, so today we will make resin art pop socket. Three most important things that are required for doing resin art is silicone mold that is in my hand right now, and the second is resin, and the third is hardener, the two white bottles that you can see. This is how silicone mold looks like. They are available in various shapes and alphabets and numbers. Now I will show you pop socket. So this is how it looks and it will open like this. On the back side we will do resin art, and this side we will stick it to our phone or phone case like this. We have to peel it off and then we can stick it. We have black and white both color pop socket. Then we have hand gloves, stir stick and all the things that are required. Now for creating resin, we need to mix the resin and hardener. So it is written that we have to mix it in 3:1. So we will take 3 part of resin and 1 part of hardener. Now I am wearing hand gloves, and now we will open both the bottles. So they are very nicely packed, and now we need to open it. Now here I am taking 3 parts of resin and 1 part of hardener. I am taking it approximately. You can use a measuring cup to get the perfect quantity. Now I have checked the quantity and I am mixing it. We'll stir it. And if you want, you can use the transparent resin or you can add color. I am adding blue color here. Mixing it well, and now I will pour it on the silicone mold. So just pouring it a bit on one side and a bit of resin on the other side. I will add decoratives and then again I will add the resin. First I am adding the golden shiner and then I will go for the pink one. And now I will mix it. Adding more resin, and now I will add the gold leaf. You can just pour more resin and let it settle down by itself, or you can just do it with your tools. So I'm just setting it a bit and this one is done. For the next one I'm using this dry flowers that I bought from Amazon. Carefully adding the leaf and then this flower, and we have to dip it in the resin. Before that I will add a bit of shiner and will pour it. I will show you a close up. So this is how it's looking right now. And now we have to let it dry and we'll wait for 24 hours. So today is day 2 and I think they are completely dry. So I'm taking it out of the silicone mold. And I'm super excited. I waited for a day and they look super cute. Like, this is the first time I tried resin art and I'm very happy with the result. And this flower one is looking really very beautiful. Let's be a little careful. And yes, we got it right. And this is my favorite one. All we need to do is stick this resin on your pop socket and you are ready to use your pop socket. So guys, what do you think about this resin pop socket? Drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I love to try new things and this was on my list, so I did it. Let me know if you also want to try this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.